Now the sum number 17 is, in triangle ABC, this is the midpoint of BC. Okay, if BL is perpendicular to AB, that means this part, and DM is perpendicular to AC, this part, such that DL is equal to DM, prove that AB is equal to AC. Okay. Now this is a easier one. Firstly, what we will write and what are given to us in the question. D is the midpoint of BC. That is, BD is equal to DC. Okay. And the next thing which is given to us, that is, BL is perpendicular to AB. That means angle DLM. No, that's not DLM. That's DLB is equal to 90 degree. The next thing which is given to us, that is, DM is perpendicular to AC. That means DMC is equal to 90 degree. The next thing is BL is equal to DM. So here what we have to prove, AB is equal to AC. Okay, so now we will prove this. Here you can see these two perpendiculars on AB and AC has formed two triangles on this triangle ABC. Now to find out that AB is equals to AC or not, we have to find out the congruency of these triangles first. So let's find out. In triangle BLD and triangle DMC, what we have, BD is equal to DC. Given and the next thing which is given to us, that is, DLB is equal to DMC, or you can write BLD or CMD, whatever. But I have already told that the basic thing is these letters has to be in the middle, because 90 degrees forming in these points only. So these has to be in the middle. You can interchange these two alphabets or points, whatever. So these are 90 degree. We can write both are 90 degree or perpendiculars. The next thing is BL is equal to DL. This was also given to us. Now the property we used, that is, therefore BLD is congruent to DMC with the help of SAS criteria. Okay, hence BL is equal to CP. That means these two sides are same. Now here we will perform further calculation. BL plus AL is equal to CM plus AM. What we get? AB is equal to AC. Hence, AB is equal to AC. Prove. Answer. So in this way you have to prove this. Now the sum number 20 is the bisectors of B and C of an isosceles triangle AB with AB is equal to AC intersect each other at a point O. Point O. Okay. BO is produced to meet AC at a point M. You can see it over here. Now what we have to prove? Prove that angle MOC is equal to angle ABC. So how we will prove that? Firstly we will write similar to the other ones, what are given to us. First of all, AB is equal to AC. Therefore, ABC is equal to angle ACB. Or half ABC is equal to half ACB. Or what is half ABC? OBC. OBC is equal to what is half ACB? OCB. That means these two are equal. Now what we have to prove? Angle MOC is equal to angle ABC. Okay. Now here you can add one more step, that is angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, now what? We have to prove this. Now, in triangle OBC, what we have? Angle OBC plus angle OCB is equal to angle MOC. We have Y exterior angle property of a triangle. The sum of any two interior angles of a triangle is equal to the exterior angle of the third interior angle of the triangle. Now here we can see that we will name this one again for more accuracy. Now OBC plus OBC is equal to MOC. Why? From 1 we get that, because OBC is equal to OCB, and here angle OBC plus OCB is equal to MOC. Therefore, and since OCB is equal to OBC, therefore these are same. Now 2OBC is equal to MOC. Now what is 2OBC? ABC is equal to MOC. That is MOC is equal to ABC. Hence, proved. Okay. Now we will do the next sum number.